Welcome back, Wildcats. Today we're going to be looking at the next section of 4.1, which instead of adding polynomials, you guys can probably guess where we're going. We're going to look at the steps to subtracting polynomials. Luckily, just like addition and subtraction are very similar to each other, adding and subtracting polynomials follow almost the exact same steps. So, first, we are going to write our polynomials in standard form, just like we did with our addition. Next, we are going to stack them up in standard form, but while we're stacking them, any polynomial that has subtraction, we're going to flip all of the signs. So if it's positive, it becomes negative. If it's negative, it becomes positive. Finally, we're actually going to add all of the terms together, which sounds a little silly when you start talking about subtraction, but let me show you an example. So in this example, we have our two polynomials, and we notice that the sign between them is minus. So as I go to rewrite these in standard form, I notice that on the left I have 7, 4, 3, 2, and 0. Those are my exponents. And on the right I have 3, 2, 0. So the right is already in the correct order. The left, I just need to change my order. So I change my order to negative 4x to the 7th plus 2x to the 4th plus 3x cubed plus 3x squared plus 2. And my right stays the same. Now when I stack these on top of each other, I just rewrite the top one because it's normal. And then because the second one is subtraction, I change all of the signs. So my plus 3x cubed becomes minus 3x cubed. My minus 2x squared becomes plus 2x squared. And my plus 6 becomes minus 6. So you can see that just on the second one only, all the signs have flipped. Now that they're all stacked up though, I can just add straight down like I did before. So my first two don't have any matches, but my plus 3x and my minus 3x, when I add those together, that becomes 0x cubed. So they cancel out. And then what looked like it was going to be subtraction with 3 minus 2 for the x squareds, because I had to flip the sign, now becomes addition. And what looked like it was going to be addition at the end, when I flipped the sign, it became subtraction. So, pulling them all down, I get negative x to the 7th plus 2x to the 4th. And notice that today I went ahead and since the 3x cubed minus 3x cubed became 0x cubed, I went ahead and left it out because 0 times anything is just 0. But we do still have our plus 5x squared and our minus 4. And if you write all of these without the space that I left in the middle, that is your answer. So guys, since this is so similar to addition, I went ahead and only did the one example for today. Hopefully that does still give you enough advice in order to be able to solve these. But as always, you know I am available on email and you can schedule face-to-face tutoring if you need to. I am available Tuesdays and Thursdays after school or most days before school. I just need you to let me know if you need that kind of help. Additionally, I can make myself available during what would be school's 6th period if, again, you send me an email and schedule that. You guys should have everything you need to know, though, in order to be able to completely finish 4.1 HRW's homework assignment. Good luck, Wildcats.